What's up guys, it's Husqvarna, the Swede with the 701. Today we're actually gonna change the appearance of this bike. This bike has been original since I bought it in 2019 and now it's finally time to pimp it out. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty tired of you guys writing, get a bold kit, get a bold kit. So I listened to you guys, I contacted Bold Designs and we made a fully custom kit for my bike. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys, I'm pretty stressed out right now because I got the Bold kit in my backpack and I thought it was all good, but it's super bent. So you could say that this is a Bold Designs durability test like no other. But I think it's fine. It's not like it's folded, but it's pretty bent, like a banana times 16. The reason I had to take everything in my backpack is because I'm heading right now to Death Rider that's gonna help me to apply the decals to the bike. Because I have no clue how to do it. I did consider doing it myself, but yeah, that was like for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I was like, nope. But if the kit survives in my backpack, it's we're all good. But it's basically, it's bended like this. So it's gonna be so fun to pimp out the bike, and oh boy, I have been a super annoying customer of Bold Designs. They have been treating me good. I've been super annoying. I don't want to be the annoying customer, but I really am, I just gotta admit it. But they kept calm during the whole design process, because, you know, I haven't really thought about what I want. When we started the design, they were like, okay, what do you want? And I was like, what do you mean? Just make the kit. But then I was like, oh yeah, what do I want my bike to look like? And then the first thing I was like, I want it to look like IKEA. I want the kit to be IKEA themed. And I thought that was the best idea that I've ever had, until I realized that I would probably get sick and tired of it in like 2 weeks, and I would probably get sued by IKEA. So we did some IKEA sketches, but then we both said, nah, this ain't holding up. This ain't good. So I slept on it, I woke up and did some sketching myself and really tried to decide for myself, what do I want the bike to look like? So that's what I did, and the print came out super nice. I'm super curious about how it will look on the bike. I'm not sure if I need to change seat for it to look good, but I might not. Thanks, man. Yo, I had to stop to fix it, because I can feel that this does not feel normal. Nope. Ja? Ja, absolut. Kör gärna. Skitbra. Tack ska ni ha, grabbar. Ha det bra. Nej, det är 700. Ja. Ni får höra den låten nu. Tried to save the Bold kit and two nice guys came up to me. Now I just got a boring ride ahead of me, so I see you guys later when I'm at the Death Riders biker cave.
Lights to queue outside the fancy cars that flew right by. Baby, kiss me like it did when we met for the first time. Love me like it did our first night out. I've tried my best to forget, but something stuck deep down my flesh. I've tried my best, with no success. I'm tired of waiting for that one night again. I remember all the flashing lights, the queue outside, the fancy cars that flew right by. Baby, kiss me like it did when we met for the first time. Love me like it did our first night. All the flashing lights, the queue outside, the fancy cars that flew right by. Baby, kiss me like it did when we met for the first time. Love me like it did our first night out.
We got the new kit on and damn, it's looking good. This is the first ride fully blinged out by Bold Designs. I really love the feeling of being blinged out. It's a good feeling. I hope you guys remember me fibbling with the bag when those two guys came and wanted to take pictures with me. I accidentally lost the 50/50 fluo wheel graphics. I'm sorry, Bold. They came out of my bag, unfortunately. So you could say that's my first giveaway ever. So if you find some graphics on the road, it's yours. Sheesh. Oh man, damn. It's it's really nice. It's really nice. Big shout out to Bold Designz for helping me out, even though I'm probably the worst customer you can have. Damn, it feels good to be blinged out. See you guys in another video. Love you all.